Students, let us continue. So the same problem which I explained little bit in that last class. So this is 180th maths class. This is 180th maths class. Let us continue the same thing. Fx is equal to function given. You follow the same procedure. For every problem, you follow the same procedure. F dash x. So f dash x is 4 constant into function. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. Differentiate the function. Differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. Differentiate the function. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. Differentiate the function. 4 is so 12x cube plus so 4 is 12x square minus 12 2 is 24x. Differentiation of 12 is 0. Now let's go for finding critical points. Let us find critical points. So right, for the critical points, so you make f dash x as 0. Put f dash x equals 0. So to get the critical points, so you put f dash x equals 0. 0. 12x cube plus 12x square minus 24x. So divide by 24, students. Don't go for dividing by 12x because if I divide every term by x, I am going to lose one critical point. We should not lose critical points. So right, for that you divide complete equation only by 12. Divide by 12. So right. So divide by 12. So we will get x cube plus, so divide by 12, x square minus 12 2 so 2x. What is common from this, students? X is common. So remaining is x square plus x minus 2. Clearly it is in the form a into b. A into b0 means either a equals 0 or b equals 0. A into b0. A0 or b0. So this implies x equals 0 or x square plus x minus 2 equals 0. So I am getting one more quadratic equation, students. This is quadratic equation. You know how to solve quadratic equations, factorization method. You factorize that. So 2. So 2 ones plus minus. Factorize that. X square plus 2x minus 1x minus 2 0. So tell me common, students. X plus 2. What is common? Minus 1. X plus 2 0. The factors are x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So tell me what are the values of x, students? X is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 2. Here we are getting 3 critical points. 0, 1, minus 2. Now let us go for checking. So among these 3 points, which point is point of maxima and which one is point of minima? So to get that, to confirm that, I should use f double dash x. To confirm the obtained points, whether they are maximum points or minimum points, we should have to use f double dash x. Let us use that. F double dash x. F double dash x. Constant into function. Keep the 12 as it is. Differentiate x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. 12 3 is 36x square. 36x square. 12 2 is 24x. So 12 2 is 24x minus 24. I got f double dash x, students. Let us check the points one by one. First I use x is equal to 0. First let us use this point. F double dash is 0. F double dash 0. 0, 0 into anything is 0. Put x is equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything 0, minus 24. So minus 24, negative. I am getting f double dash x as negative. For that point x is equal to 0. Then what type of point is this x equals 0, students? It should be a point of local maxima. Therefore, x equals 0 is a point of local maxima. I told you to by heart procedure for one problem, students. If that procedure is by hearted, then you feel these things are so easy. Now, so x equals 0 is a point of local maxima. Look at that question carefully. Here it is asking to find out maximum and minimum values. Sare question ಓದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೂಸ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತಲೆಗಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸೇ ಬೇರೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸೇ ಬೇರೆ. ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ completely different. It's completely different. Let us find maximum value. So local maximum value. So local maximum value is equal to, since this is maximum point, if I put x equals 0 in fx, I must get local maximum value. So write f0, 0, 0, 0, it is 12. How much is local maximum value, students? 12. Observe the difference. Point of local maximum value. Now let us go for one more point. Let us use one more point. Now let's go for one more point. X is equal to 1. So that is f double dash 1. F double dash 1. So 36 plus 24 minus 24. Put x is equal to 1 in this case. 36 1 square 1 plus 24 minus 24 plus 24 minus 24 get cancels. 36 positive. Then what is this point? X equals 1 card. It should be minimum point. So this implies x is equal to 1 is point of minima, point of local minima. If I put local minimum point in fx, I am going to get minimum value. Value ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ minimum point na fx ಗಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. So this implies local minimum value is equal to, put x equal to 1 in that, f1 3 plus 4 minus 12 plus 12. So it is 7. Still we have one more point. Tell me that one more point. Minus 2. F double dash minus 2. F double dash minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. You use your calculator. Minus 2 whole square. 4. 36 4s are. 36 4s are. 144. It is 144. So next 24 minus 2 is 24 into minus 2, 48. minus 48. So minus 24. You had both. So write 144. 72 to 72. So it is plus 72. 72. Positive. Positive is, tell me what is the nature of this point, students? What is the nature of this point? This point should be point of local minima. Point of local minima. Therefore, x equals minus 2 is point of so local minima. Local point of local minima. So let us calculate minimum value. So minimum value. Local minimum value. Local minimum value f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole power 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. Next, minus 2 whole cube, minus 8. 8 4s are minus 32. So minus 2 whole square 4. 12 4s are 48 plus 12. You add minus 48 plus 48 get cancels. Minus 32 plus 12. So write minus 20. Minus 20. So I hope you understood, students. Let us go for solving one more question of the same type. Let us solve one more question of the same type. F double dash minus 2. You check this F double dash minus 2, students. Yes, correct. 3x power 4, 4x cube minus 12x square plus 12. Now students, let's go for solving one more question. So one more question. Find all points of local maxima and local minima. Find let us solve one more question, students. Find all points of local maxima and local minimum values of the following. So right, next question is you take fx equals given by fx equals x cube minus 3x. You follow same procedure, students. So write solution f dash x equals 3x square minus 3. Go for finding critical points. For the critical points, f dash x is 0. Put f dash x equals 0. So 0 equals 3x square minus 3. That implies 3x square equals 3. X square equals 1. X equals plus or minus 1. So you go for double dash x, students. You use double dash x. F double dash x. F double dash x. 3 2s are 6x. 6x. You confirm both the points. I think this question has been solved already, it seems. F double dash 1. F double dash 1. 6 plus 6. It is positive. Positive. F double dash 1 is 6. Positive. Therefore, x equals 1 is point of local minima. Point of local minima. Point of local minima. X equals 1 is called a point of local minima. So to find minimum value, put this point in fx, students. So minimum value. So local minimum value. So local minimum value is f1. F1 is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. We have one more point to be checked. F double dash minus 1. F double dash minus 1. It is minus 6. F double dash minus 1. It is minus 6. Negative means the point should be local maximum point. Is a point of local maxima. Therefore, x equals minus 1 is a point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. To find maximum value. So local maximum value is local maximum value is you put maximum point in fx. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1. X is minus 1. Minus or minus plus 3. 3 minus 1 it is 2. I hope you understood, students. Let us go for solving one more question of the same type. Find local maximum and local minimum values of the function. So write fx equals find local maximum and local minimum values of the function given by fx equals x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. 9x plus 15. You solve same procedure, students. For every problem you apply same procedure. Let us go for solving that. Solution. So write so f dash x equals 3x square minus 6 2s are constant into function. Keep that 6 as it is. Differentiate x square. 6 2s are 12x plus constant into function. Keep that 9 as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. 9. So for the critical points. f dash x is 0. F dash x equals 0. Put f dash x equals 0 in that. 0 equals 3x square minus 12x plus 9. 3x square minus 12x plus 9. Quadratic equation. You go for dividing both sides by 3. So divide by 3. So divide by 3. X square minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Quadratic equation, students, factorize this 3. So 3 ones are minus 3 minus 1, it is minus 4. So factorize that. X square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3 is equal to 0. Tell me what is common from these two? X minus 3. What is common from these two? Minus 1. X minus 3. You tell me two factors, students. X minus 1 into x minus 3. X minus 1 into x minus 3. So tell me two x values. So x is equal to 1 overall. X is equal to 3. Now let us check, let us confirm whether these points are maximum or minimum points. For that, you always use f double dash x. Go for using f double dash x. So f double dash x is 3 2s are 6x. Constant into function. Keep that 3 as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 3 2s are 6x. It becomes 6x. Minus 12. Constant into function. Keep that 12 as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. So differentiation of 9 is 0. Because 9 is constant. Now go for checking these points. F double dash 1. F double dash 1. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Positive or negative, students? Negative. Then what is this point called? Point of maxima. Point of maxima. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. X is equal to 1 is called point of local maxima. You go for one more point, students. You calculate value. So local, that implies local maximum value is equal to local maximum value is equal to, put x is equal to 1 in fx, f1. So write 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 15. 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 15. It is so 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10. 10 minus 6 4. So 15 plus 4 19. I hope you understood, students. Yes. Next, we have one more point to check. One more point to be checked. That is x equals 3. X equals 3. F double dash 3. F double dash 3. So put x is equal to 3, students. 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 12. It is 6. So positive. Then what is this point? What is this x value called? Point of local minima. Therefore, x equals 3 is point of so local minima. Point of local minima. Find out minimum value, students. You have minimum value. Local minimum value. Local minimum value. So is equal to local minimum value 3 cube F3 is is equal to 3 cube 27 minus 3 square 9 54 plus 9 3s are 27 plus 15 27 plus 27 54 54 plus 54 minus 54 get cancels. So answer is 15. How much is local minimum value, students? 15. Local maximum value 19. I hope you understood. So right. Okay students, let us stop this class. We shall continue in the next class. Thank you.